Hey guys, Sean Terry here, flip2freedom.com. Hope you're doing well. All right, now in this video, I want to talk about ChatGPT in marketing. And is it possible to combine both of them to get a lower cost per lead, get a better quality lead, and do it for less cost, right? So you lower your CPL, you get bigger spreads, and you're able to get a better quality lead. So that's what we're going to talk about. We're doing a live training, and I want to invite you to, and the link is below. You can click and register, but we're doing a special training about AI, artificial intelligence, and like ChatGPT, where you can combine it with marketing and lower your lead cost. So for the same amount of money, you get more leads coming in, and you get a higher quality lead because they're essentially qualified. And you get to have bigger spreads because they're giving you information, and you can kind of determine motivation out of there. And it gets rid of spam leads and all that type of stuff. It's amazing. So if you click the link below, you can register for the training. It's March 2nd in the afternoon. There'll be the time on there, and you are not going to want to miss it. It's literally going to revolutionize the way marketing is done online for motivated sellers, and it's combining artificial intelligence technology with marketing online. It's sick. It's incredible. I've been testing it now since November, and I'm going to actually share results and actually show you what they look like. And it's absolutely jaw-dropping. So you do not want to miss this and how we're using AI technology like ChatGPT and marketing and putting it together as a real estate wholesaler. No one's doing it. No one's done this before until right now. So all you got to do is click the link below, and it's going to be awesome, and it's going to be registered, and we'll keep you posted and updated. So have a good one. Take care, and God bless.